Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I am finally getting to film again. We are up in Eastern Washington and I had some boxes forwarded to me and I took some boxes with me. So by the time we unpacked, this is like the first opportunity I had to film. So welcome. It's like 90 something degrees. I left Arizona that was like 115 and I thought it would be so much cooler up here in the mountains, but I was wrong. So I was gonna film outside today, but it's so hot, so I'm filming inside and it's equally as hot. So I apologize for all this going on, but I'm so excited because today I am filming a new box to my channel. It's called Luxely Beauty Box. And I think actually this is their first box. This is their July box. This subscription is $39.95 a month and I do have a 10% coupon code below. So if you'd like to try it, you will get a discount. And I did see this off of Reviews with Sue. So she enabled me to try this box. And I will link her channel below, so if you haven't checked her out, she has such a bubbly personality. And at the beginning of her videos, she has this song that just sticks with you. I mean, you watch her video and it will stick with you for like a week. So yeah, you need to check her out. And so I had reached out to the company because this was such a great box. And when I open it, you will see why. And when I reached out to them, they're like, oh, well, we're not working on July's box anymore. We're going to be going on August. And I said, well, I wanted it because of the July box. And they said, well, we have a few left and we can send you one. So I am hoping it's the exact box that Sue got, because the products in here were fantastic and definitely well worth the money. And their customer service is great. So let's get into it. You open it up and it's got this cute card, very spring-like, and on the back, my ring light's glaring, it's got everything that's in the box, and it does say July box. So for people like me that forget what box they're opening, it's got that in there. And this smells fantastic. And I'm hoping it's the same box because the products in there, the weight doesn't feel the same. But we will see. Yes, it's the same box. So the first thing I'm taking out of the box is number 5, and this is I'm gonna stop the video for 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, those of you who watch me know I cannot read. While I was up here, I found these and I'm hoping they will work. So let's try this again. The first thing I am opening is number 5, Water Lily Sandalwood Shea Butter Soap. And it comes like this. Oh my God, it smells divine. And it's such a perfect size. I'm not gonna open it, but I am going to use it in my shower. And so let's read up on this. Do you like these things? Because normally I read my cards and I'm like this. So I'm so excited that I got these. Actually these are 100 and I bought these and the 125, so I'd have both in case they didn't work. So this is, of course I can't find it now that I have glasses. I can't find it. Okay then. So I can't find this, so I don't know, maybe it's a little gift, so I will get back to it. And the next thing in the box is Invisibobbles and Swim with Me. What a cute packaging. And again, I'm not going to take it out, but I am going to use this because these are so nice in your hair. And again, for those of you who watched me, I did get my hair done. I got the cut and color and the whole 9 yards. I took a bunch off, so I will use those. And so excited. Oh, I don't know if they put retail prices on here. It doesn't look like they do. Yes, Invisibobble Sprunch Spiral Hair Ring meets Scrunchie, but they don't put retail prices. But again, I gotta take these off. Again, the box is $39.95, and then they offered a 10% coupon code. But when I get to the meat of this box, you'll see why this box is so worth it. So the next thing that's in here is by Becky, Quick Dry Hair Turban. And I have always wanted one of these. I actually use a towel to kind of wrap my hair on, and it inevitably ends up on the floor as soon as I bend over. So I'm like, I need to get one of these because as you see, it wraps tight in your hair and your hair doesn't go anywhere. And especially my hair is fine and I have it shorter, so I was really excited when I saw this. And this color, and it says it quick dries, so it takes all the water out while you're getting ready. It's do not bleach, so I'm not sure if I have to hand wash it. Oh, I can take it out. And it's this beautiful blue. And you can feel that it's different. And knowing me, I have to probably play with it and figure out, but it's got the little tassel here, and I have to smell everything. So I am looking forward to using this. So I do like that. And let's see if I can find this. Okie dokie. Becky Quick Dry Hair Turban. Ultra Absorbent Hair Turban reduces drying time. So that is awesome. And the next thing in the box, this is why I got the box. It has the wow. And this is the, oh, I have to put on my glasses. This is the Wow Color Security Conditioner. Fine to normal color treated hair, which is exactly what I have. And I got this in, it was a Hollywood Lifestyle box. I don't even know if they make them anymore, but I got a huge one. And they're very pricey. And so when I saw this, I'm like, wow, they put one in there. And I think not only did they put the conditioner, but they put the shampoo. So they are a 75 millimeter, 2.5 ounce each. And I know these are pricey. I didn't look up the prices, but this will last me probably the whole time. We're up here for 3 months in the summer. Again, Arizona is like 115 degrees. So this will last me the whole time that I'm up in Arizona. So that was one of the reasons when I saw Sue take that out of the box, I had to put it on hold and say I have to order this box. So I like those. And then they added the Dream Filter for picture perfect color. And sorry, I have to get used to these. It's like the face masks. You have to get used to wearing them. And this was the Wow 1 Minute Transformation this is the Wow Dream Filter. Pre-shampoo mineral remover. Gently removes metals and minerals left behind by city water and pool water. Safe for color treated and keratin treated hair. Apply generously and evenly to dry hair. Saturate, wait 3 minutes, then shampoo. Every 3 to 4 shampoos. So I've never heard of anything like this. So I'm excited to try this. And again, this is a kind of expensive line, and if you're gonna use a good product, Wow is the way to go. And again, I hate to bring up Sue again. She might kill me. But when you check out her channel, she has long, thick, beautiful hair. And she only uses certain shampoos. And this is one of the shampoos, because I'm always saying, how do you get that hair? And this is one of the shampoo lines that she uses. And then the next thing is, if I can get it the right way, it's a hand sanitizer. And who doesn't need a good hand sanitizer? This is what it looks like. And it's a spray. So I'm just gonna see how it smells. As I spray it the wrong way, I knew I was gonna do that. So it's great for purse size, or what we do is we leave them in the car, because it's like as soon as you go to a drive-through or a grocery store or anything, we spray our hands. So it smells good. And oh, there is something else in here. Oh, we have another Wow product. So this theme obviously was taking care of your hair. Again, this is the first time I've received this box, and I think it's their first introduction into subscription boxes, but I am not sure. I will leave the link below. So the August box I'm getting, so I'm not sure, that could be a whole different theme, but this is the Wow Styling Cream. And this is 1 ounce. Let me put on my very classy glasses. And the styling cream instantly remoisturizes your hair and eliminates frizz. Perfect to smooth out bedhead. Pro tip, use a coin-sized amount, rub into your hands and apply it to dry hair. Brush thoroughly for a more polished look. So probably like in the mornings when you're styling your hair, you can put this on and it will help with, again, your drier hair. So I think that was everything in this awesome box. So let me know what you thought of this box. I thought it was fantastic. We got this hair dryer. Well, actually it's called the hair turban, and I can't wait to use it. We have the sanitizer spray, the Wow shampoo, cream rinse, and styling cream, our little Invisibobble that I always want to say bobblehead, I don't know why, and this cute item that I never heard of, but I can't wait to try it. And this soap that smells so good. So I thought this was a great box. Again, it was like a hair themed box, so I'm excited to see what they do with the next box. And please, if you're not subscribed to me and you like this video and its content, please hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel and putting up with my different backgrounds. And have an awesome day.